Alright, hello and welcome back to Remoto. So today's episode, as you've seen by the title, we're going to be installing the engine covers and all those big kind of ticketed items, tank, etc. I've also got an air injection kit to install, so we might as well just crack straight into it. We'll start with this side, closest to you. So, let's just get into it. Let's get into it. A little bit of a tidbit with this clutch shaft here, that has to be facing towards the shaft in here. Just a little bit of a tip when you're putting this together. That just goes on like that. Okay, so one more little kind of nice part that I got. I don't know how well this is going to read, but it just looks better than the standard oil cap. So it's just a little temperature gauge. There we go. That's better this time, eh? So the problem with these rocker cover gaskets is it actually sits inside the top of this. So every time you go and get the front on, the back falls off. You get your back on and the front falls off. It's just literally a game of giant patience to try and get these on. They are the worst. Okay, so we're now going to start on the left side cover. So this has all the stator and stuff in it. So we'll first put on the stator. Let's just do it. Well, that one was much easier. Alright, so that was the left side engine cover on, putting all the stator on and stuff like that. I'm still kind of waiting on a few parts back from the painter to fit off the rocker cover. So what we're going to move on to is actually just like a bit of a emissions delete, I guess you can call it. So I've already taken it off, but this is the old air injection kit, and I've got a kit from Hitchcock's that just puts these blanking plates in place. So one thing I'm going to have to mention though, come on Hitchcock's, this is amazing. Like, if Tech did this, if Tech gave you instructions this good, like, it would be amazing. Like, look at the pictures, tells you every step of the way. Even a stupid fella like me could do this. So, let's get this air injection kit installed. Let's do it. We've done the right side of the bike here. What I'll do is I will now just put this one on. No point showing you that one because it's exactly the same as this. Next time I'll see you, we'll be taking the blinking plate and taking the valve out. So let's do that. All we have now is to fit these two. So I'll take this piece off. There we go. One they supply. Just like that, the air injection kit is now installed. that marks the another end of the video. So today we've got a lot done on this video. We've got all the covers on, the side covers on, and all the main ancillaries. Basically all we've got left to do is put the tank on, but I'm not going to show you that because I'm going to leave that for kind of the last little surprise. So in the next video we're going to be doing the reveal video. Once again, just thank you for all your support. So because of your support, I'm just going to go sit the tank on so you can get a general idea where my vision's coming from. So I click my fingers and then I come back and I reappear, the tank will be on. So stick by. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here it is. There's the tank. So hopefully with this in place you can now kind of see my vision where I was taking this bike. So here's a little bit of a sneak peek. So if you made it to this far in the video, you get to have a little bit of a Easter egg. So until the next video, we will see you then, and thanks for the support. So thanks for tuning in to Remoto. We'll see you in the next one.